Hey, seventh grade, here is your second and last assignment for the week here. This is for Thursday and Friday. I know I'm sending it out on a Wednesday. I just want you to know what's coming up for Thursday and Friday. So you're going to have a video explaining how to find median. Yesterday we did the mean. A mean just meant the average. Today we're going to be finding the median. And the median means the middle number, but here's the thing that you've got to pay attention to. If I just went right here and found the middle number, it would be a 4, but these numbers are not lined up in order from smallest to largest. So in order to find the median, you must always put them in the order from smallest to largest. So I have done that. I'm going to switch over to another page. Now I have put them from smallest to largest. And in this case, you can see that the middle number 1, 2, 3, 4 over this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. There's the middle number is still a 4 right here. So 4 actually is going to be my answer. And in just a moment, I'll show you what to do. And with an odd set of numbers, you count in and you'll have a middle number. With an even set of numbers, you'll have 2, and I'll show in a minute just what to do there. So my median, my middle number, when put from smallest to largest of these numbers, is a 4. Next, I have 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, and they are not listed from smallest to largest, so I'm going to write them from smallest to largest. So when put from smallest to largest, I just have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So if I count in 1, 2, 3, and then I come to the outside and I go backwards 1, 2, 3, I get to 5, and 5 is going to be my middle number. So that's my median. Again, I'm looking for the middle number when I put them in order from smallest to largest. And right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So again, I'm going to have a middle number when I put them in order from smallest to largest. And when I put those numbers from smallest to largest, I have 7 numbers. So I'm going to count in 1, 2, 3, 4. And that puts me at 6 right here. I want to make sure that it works to count from this side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 is my center number. So 6 does happen to be my median. You can see on this problem right here that I have more numbers and they're bigger numbers, but the process still stays the same. I need to put them in order from smallest to largest. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So again, I'm going to have an odd set of numbers and I need to find the middle number. So I'm going to put them in order from smallest to largest. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think is my middle number. I'm going to make sure if I count in from 5 this direction that's also still the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 74 still is my middle number. So bigger numbers and more numbers doesn't change anything. I'm still looking for my middle number from smallest to largest. Looks like once you get to the challenge zone, they still remain odd numbers, or there are an odd set of numbers here. There's 15 numbers right there. There's just a lot more of them. And I'm going to make a suggestion, and I would recommend that you follow it. And that is that you write out all of these numbers somewhere instead of trying to do this in your head. So I have them written out right here, but I'm going to put them from smallest to largest. So I'm going to put 45, and then I have another 45, and I'm even going to cross them off as I go. That way I know I've used that number. I don't accidentally use it twice. I don't end up messing up and using it more times than I need to. So I've got 2 45s. I'm looking for the next number. 48, 49, 51, 50, 48, 47 will be my next number. And then I'm going to cross it off my list so that I don't accidentally reuse it. I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 48. So I'm going to write all of them on there. 1, 2, 3, 4 48s, and I'm going to go cross those off. Again, I'm going to highly recommend that you cross off numbers as you use them. I've crossed off 2 48s, 3 48s, 4 48s, and I have 4 sets of 48 right here. So far I'm good. 49, 49, I've got 2 49s. I'm going to put them down. If I've got 2 of them up there, I'm going to write it down twice. Going to delete those 2 49s. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. So I'm going to put 50 on here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double check and make sure that's how many I had. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then there's 2 51s. So I'm going to put 51 on my list twice and then cross those off. That lets me know that I've used every number. And I should at this point have 15 numbers down here in my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know it takes about an extra minute to do it that way, but you don't miss the problems that way and get confused. So I'm going to count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots. I believe that that's the exact center point. I'm going to do the same from over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both times I land there at that same location. So there is my center point at 49. So I'm going to come over here and put in 49 for my reply. Hopefully we did it right. So it looks like today on the IXL, we don't get into situations where we have an odd number, or an even number of digits to work with. If you did have an even number of digits to work with, you would take the 2 center values, you would add them and divide by 2 so that you would have an exact center point. So for tonight, or not for tonight, tonight's Wednesday. For Thursday and Friday, you need to watch this video, and then you need to give V4, find the median, a try. It's under IXL 3rd grade. If you're still having trouble getting logged into IXL, you need to email me and tell me that. I have emailed out the codes. The codes are not coming from me, though. So if you're looking for my email address and not seeing it, that's why. They're coming from IXL. But I can easily send that link to you, send you your username and password if you're having trouble getting logged in. For the most part, it seems like a lot of you are getting done. I had over 80 kids complete the assignment today. So if you have questions or concerns, can't figure something out, let me know, and I will try to work with you and make this work out. I plan to send a video tomorrow, and tomorrow's video will probably have nothing to do with math and just be a random silly story just because you haven't had one in 3.5 weeks. Until then, stay safe, stay away from other people, and keep yourself healthy. Talk to you later.